Are you planning on visiting Germany soon? Then, here are 10 things to avoid doing in Germany to stay out of trouble. Number 1. Don't use the Nazi salute or make any Nazi-related jokes. It is illegal and can lead to severe consequences. Number 2. Don't jaywalk. Germans take traffic rules seriously, and if you are caught jaywalking, you can get a hefty fine. Number 3. Don't drink alcohol or be drunk in public spaces. German law strictly prohibits public intoxication. Number 4. Don't wear your shoes inside a German home. It is a sign of disrespect and can make people feel uncomfortable. Number 5. Don't interrupt people while they are speaking. Germans value respect and manners, and interrupting someone can be seen as rude. Number 6. Don't litter. Germans take environmentalism seriously, and leaving trash behind can result in a fine. Number 7. Don't be late. Germans are punctual, and being late can be seen as disrespectful. Number 8. Don't stare or point. It is considered impolite to stare at people or point at objects or individuals. Number 9. Don't be loud in public spaces. Germans value peace and quiet, and being loud can irritate and annoy others. Number 10. Don't tip too much. Unlike in other countries, tipping in Germany is not mandatory, and leaving too much can be seen as unnecessary. Thanks for watching our video about what not to do in Germany. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos related to Germany, and don't forget to follow our Instagram page for the latest updates and insights about studying abroad.